Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best mushrooms grow tent that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product link in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the large still air box mushroom grow tent by Mycology, which earns its spot as the budget-friendly option. This tent is designed for beginner mushroom growers or hobbyists who need a simple, effective solution for cultivating mushrooms in a clean and controlled environment. Measuring 38 by 20 by 25 inches, it provides a spacious workstation perfect for agar inoculation, liquid culture, or even plant tissue culture. The transparent plastic walls allow for clear observation, while the high elasticity armholes make it versatile for users of various body types. The design is highly convenient, no assembly required. It comes ready to use straight out of the box, and when not in use, it folds neatly into the included storage bag. Despite its lightweight build of just 2.53 pounds, the tent is sturdy and waterproof, ensuring durability over time. The package includes thoughtful additions like a mini thermometer and 2 spray bottles, which are handy for monitoring and maintaining humidity levels. However, the trade-off for its affordability is the lack of advanced features like integrated grow lights or compatibility with accessories. It's ideal for hobbyists or those on a tight budget, but may not suffice for more advanced growers. Overall, the Mycology Mushroom Grow Tent is an excellent starter option with straightforward functionality and a price that's hard to beat. At rank number 4, we have the A-Cover Large Still Air Box Mushroom Grow Tent. This upgraded grow tent offers a clean and sealed environment for growing mushrooms, ensuring higher success rates by preventing contamination. Measuring 31.5 by 20.5 by 20.5 inches, this tent provides sufficient space for multiple grow bags and accessories. The dual side door design allows for easy cleaning and maintenance, while the armholes make handling tasks much simpler. What sets the A-Cover tent apart is its high-quality PVC material, which is both transparent and highly durable. The tubular structure adds stability, making it easy to set up lights or camera mounts for documenting your grow process. The package includes useful extras such as mushroom grow bags, gloves, and a mini hygrometer thermometer for precise monitoring. Assembly is straightforward, taking just minutes to set up, and the tent can be folded down for storage when not in use. A-Cover's tent excels in versatility, supporting a range of applications like agar inoculation, plant tissue culture, and monotub setups. However, its 4.53-pound weight makes it less portable than lighter options, and it lacks integrated lighting solutions. It's a solid choice for growers looking for a slightly more advanced setup without breaking the bank. Coming in at rank number 3 is the Mycology Mushroom Grow Tent and LED Growing Light Kit. If you're looking for a complete setup, this tent delivers. It includes a 48 LED grow light with dual spectrum technology, offering both 6000K blue light for growth and 5000K white light to mimic natural sunshine cycles. The light ensures even development, making it a standout feature for growers aiming for consistent results. The tent itself is well designed, with a 30 by 20 by 20 inch structure made from high-quality transparent PVC plastic. It's durable, easy to clean, and folds down compactly for storage. The included 5 feet extension cord, E27 base, and mounting ties make setup straightforward, while the cuff design ensures a sterile environment for cultivation. This product is ideal for both beginners and intermediate growers who want a professional-grade experience without spending a fortune. On the downside, the Mycology tent weighs 3.09 pounds, making it slightly heavier than some other options. Additionally, while the grow light is a great feature, the tent's compact size may limit larger-scale growing operations. This product shines for its balance of affordability and functionality, particularly for growers focused on precision and lighting control. At rank number 2, we have the Terra Fungus Mushroom Grow Tent, a premium mid-tier option for serious growers. Measuring 65 by 27.5 by 20 inches, this mini greenhouse offers a large capacity while maintaining a compact footprint. making it perfect for indoor setups. The tent is made with heavy-duty electrophorous steel framing and transparent walls, ensuring durability and ease of monitoring. What makes this tent stand out is its compatibility with various accessories, including monotubs, humidifiers, and grow tent fans. It also comes with a 6500K LED grow light and a built-in 12-hour timer, creating an optimized environment for mushroom cultivation. The full-spectrum lighting is tailored to meet the needs of mushrooms and other plants, making it versatile for horticulture enthusiasts. While the Terrafungus tent offers excellent build quality and features, it's on the heavier side at 11.62 pounds, and the price tag may be a bit steep for beginners. However, for serious growers who want reliability, customization options, and advanced lighting, this tent is a fantastic investment. Finally, at rank number 1, we have the Terrafungus Mushroom Grow Tent with light and timer, the ultimate premium option for mushroom growers. This tent is designed for those who want the best of the best, combining durability, functionality, and advanced features. With dimensions of 65 by 27.5 by 20 inches, it offers 20 cubic feet of space, making it suitable for larger-scale operations and multiple grow bags. The tent includes a 6500K LED grow light and a built-in timer with 12-hour cycles, ensuring mushrooms get the optimal light exposure. Its 100% waterproof structure allows for easy integration of accessories like fans, humidifiers, and heating pads, providing complete environmental control. The heavy-duty electrophoresis, steel frame, and mylar inner material ensure longevity and consistent performance, while the transparent walls allow for easy monitoring. At $119.40, this tent is the most expensive on the list, but it delivers premium features that justify the price. It's ideal for experienced growers who want a professional-grade setup capable of handling advanced cultivation techniques. If you're looking to elevate your mushroom growing game, this Terrafungus tent is the way to go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.